Yo, what's up, YouTube? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. So yes, let's get straight to it. Yo, what is up, everyone? Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. And yes, before you tune into the live stream, just guys and gals know, not financial advice. Yes, you all have to do your own research, of course. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get straight to it. And today, we'll go over today and also the end of day swings that I am currently looking forward to. Let's get straight to it. So yes, today was more of a stagnant day. I did do pretty well on the YOLOs, but yeah, I didn't have any entries until possibly later today. Yo, what's up, everyone? Really appreciate you all tuning in. So yes, for the Qs at least, this is what I wanted, or at least on a 4-hour chart, this is what I want. This will be a great swing, but no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. So now, let's keep going. What do we see? Top wall, we also have a bottom wall here. That does look very amazing, and this is an area of consolidation that does look really good. So in order for us to actually take to the downside, so this downside here, we see a clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, what do I need? We need a bottom wall to break under in order for us to target to the downside. So if we do end up breaking under this level, this wall, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, down here. And in the middle, this is the resistance. This is no resistance here, so this is exactly what I want to the downside. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. But yeah, as you can see, we are consolidating in between these levels. Buyers are controlling this bottom floor, and sellers are controlling the top floor. So we basically just need buyers. So buyers are at the bottom. We need buyers to end up getting exhausted, and we need a candle body closure underneath this wall for the downside. Obviously, yes, my first TP would still be from the entry to the exit, the literal middle. But yes, guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples and how I personally utilize a Potter Box. So yes, you have to do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, that is on the keys. Maybe by tomorrow we can see where that is. But as of right now, there's just nothing for me to do on that. Let's look at some more trades. Let's look at some different things here. Honestly, Disney looks really good. And I've been waiting on Disney for a while. I thought we were going to get it today, but nope. Definitely not. So, as you can see here, what do we have? We had, so same exact thing here. Clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. We did have a top wall that needs to be broken, as you can see. This top wall that I'm looking at here. Body wick and another body wick closing directly at the same line, directly at the same price. And I am waiting for a clear break outside into the empty space. And yes, we don't want to trade inside of the box. We want to trade to the box. So yes, from one area of consolidation to the next. Looks really good. But right now, there's nothing for me to do. Obviously not financial advice, so please do your own research, of course. Let's see what SPY's up to. Yo, appreciate you all for tuning back in. Thank you so much. All right, let's see. Hold on. Give me a second. All right. And as you can see, one second. Oh, wow. Looks like SPY ended up... Oh, wow. Let's see this. So we had what? A top wall and also a bottom wall here. Wow. Actually perfect. So no, I didn't get into this one, but we were going over this over the live stream. And what did we see here? So the first thing that I saw here was a clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, guys, I'm using the Potter Box. So no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples as well. So yes, we ended up breaking above this wall, this level. We had a top wall, bottom wall. We ended up tapping above. Where did we go? Into this empty space. All the way up. We touched perfectly. Came back. Rejected. Went all the way to the TP. So yeah, that worked out great. You can see where we did end up rejecting right underneath that floor. So once we do end up touching these plays, like the targets, that's exactly when we get out. Sometimes depending on time frame and I see uptrend or downtrend and I don't know where to go. So for that, and yes guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So it really just also depends on what strategy you use. I personally use the Potter box with the empty space, but I will be honest, the higher time frame is going to be your best friend. So a higher time frame is obviously going to tell you the truth rather than a lower time frame. So I definitely like to use higher time frame trades in order to get into, you know, my entries. But if I do something on like a lower time frame, it'll definitely be a little lighter. Unless it's really good, then maybe we'll go up. But anyways, yeah, let's keep going. So, all right, so let's see. A whole bunch of other trades now. Let's look at SOFI. And yes, I look for the same setup each and every day. I don't change anything. Yeah, no worries, guys. Just please do your own research, not financial advice, of course. So yes, before tuning into the live stream, just make sure to do your own research. All right, so SOFI, what do I see here? We look for right here is a clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And we have a top wall. So let's just go ahead and break this down as well. And yeah, I'm pretty much getting ready for the end of the day. Don't really see anything that I like here. But yeah, there is still empty space, as you can see. Give me a second there. Boom, clear move down. That we could take to the upside if we break over a wall. But as of right now, there's just nothing for us to do. The candle we just got on the queue. Yeah, I got you, Barry. I'll definitely look at that. Yeah, let me actually take a look right now. But yeah, so we did end up basically dropping today. Obviously, we did end up spiking back up. That doesn't look bad. It does look like there is a little bit of empty space up there too as well. There's also another lower wall in SOFI. So SOFI, so a lower time frame wall. So yeah, let's just say if I have, you know, SOFI up, obviously I do, SOFI, and I don't see anything on a 24-hour, I would go down to a lower time frame. Yo, thanks for sharing the live, really appreciate it. Thanks for the likes too. So let's see. Oh wow, this does look pretty good. Give me a second. That 4-hour looked really amazing. Yeah, that 4-hour looked really good. So same thing here. Oh, 24-hour. So 24-hour chart. Yes, this is what I personally see. Yes, there's a little bit of empty space here, but this is not really a wall there. The only wall that I see here is, you can see this wall there. So there's a top wall there. Also, there's a bottom here. And above us, there's empty space. But personally, if I don't see anything that I like on the 24-hour, I just go down to a lower time frame. So I did see something on this 4-hour chart. So same thing. This is beautiful. This looks really amazing. Let's look. And all my trades are going to be exactly like, I don't change anything at all. So boom, what is this? Clear move up. All these, or this big green candle with no red candle interfering. And what do we have under us? Top wall. Nice bottom wall here. So there's a bottom wall looking really good. Yo, Meyer, what's up? What's up? Yeah, let me do SPY. Yeah, I can definitely do that for you. Yeah, no worries. All right, so as of right now, yes, it does look like we are nowhere close to this entry. So no, I am not telling you guys to enter into anything. So please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything or anything like that. So please do your own research as well. What are you in? Are you in what, calls or puts? What do you use to buy and sell? So personally, yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice, but personally, I do use TradeStation and Webull the most, but Robinhood sometimes. But just be careful with RH. But yeah, a whole bunch of empty space there. That looks really good. But yeah, let me look at SPY. Let me see. But yes, guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please, you have to do your own research as well. Yeah, thanks for the follows. Really appreciate it. Okay, cool. Let's see. 1, 3, 4, 56. All right, cool. So this is what I have here. Yo, Stargirl, what's up? So, well, I don't know if I can say it on here, but anyways, yeah, just likes to play around a lot, if you know, if that makes sense. But meta on the 4 hour, yeah. Let me do that as well. How much money do I do per trade? So it really just depends on the setup. So if I have like a light entry, obviously it's going to be a little bit lower than my regular entries. But if I have a regular entry, it really just depends on the setup. If I'm really confident about it and, you know, looks clear, looks good, a little bit more, but we'll just... But I will be honest, yes, I always have a break-even stop loss or a very minimal stop loss, so maybe I let it breathe some, but, you know, pretty much, if I have to get stopped out, I definitely will. But right now, this does look really good. What do we have here? And same exact thing. Yo, Oscar, what's up, dude? How are you, man? So, let's see, what, TGT. Hold on, give me a second here. TGT, and also LUV, perfect. Last question I have is, how long are you in a single trade for? So it really just depends, and most of our trades will be at the end of the day, so we do swing trading here. I do like to hold, you know, positions overnight over the course of a few days. But most of our trades happen within, you know, 1 to 3 days. But I, you know, have my contracts. I set my expiration date to my liking, and, you know, that's just pretty much it. But yeah, as of right now for SPY, we are in consolidation. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research before doing anything, of course. But if we can end up breaking above that, I don't see any resistance until boom. So what's my age? I'm 23. So my birthday is actually on May 7th. So birthday's what, next week or something? So do I use VRP? No, I don't use any indicators. I don't use any volume. I just use the Potter box with the empty space. And yes, all of my trades are going to look exactly alike. Like literally all of them. They're going to look alike. I can only show you the charts. I can't show you anything else. I look for, so as you can see, empty space. So where there is no consolidation. I'm looking for buyer's control, so a bottom wall that needs to be broken. And as you can see, we do end up breaking below the wall. I want us to tap and target to the downside. Obviously, yes, guys, do your own research. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. Only going over examples. So same thing here. Well, a whole bunch of different trades. Obviously, I wish I could show you what we do here. But if you want to see the type of work that we do, you can look in the games page. You can look at the testimonials as well. Why does my chart look different than yours on TradingView? So that's actually probably... Okay, so let's go to what? Honestly, we'll go to... Let's see. So let me go to Target, actually. And I'll show you why your chart probably looks a little bit different than mine. So right here, right now, as you can see, I'm using a 24-hour chart. So a 24-hour. Yo, Marky, what's up? Yeah, I can take a look at SPY again. Yeah, no worries. So yes, I'm using a 24-hour chart, and I'm also using extended time frame. So from the session, the regular trading hours, you can see there's a lot more gaps. There's just nothing that I can do here. So I don't use the regular time frame trading hours. I use extended time frame. So from regular, so bottom right corner regular to extended, and then boom, you can see there's a lot more information inside of these candles. I can actually trade this. Yo, what's up, dude? How are you, man? Good to see you, bro. So yeah, this is on Target, honestly. So on a, okay, give me a second here. All right, so on a 24-hour chart, this looks really good. And I'm personally waiting for this move that does look fire. And what do I see? This is what I'm clearly seeing here. This is, so give me a second, give me 1 second. All right, so there's this move right here that I'm seeing, and we'll go ahead and break this down. So let's get rid of all this. And the first thing that I saw, what is that, guys and gals? This is obviously the empty space. Honestly, this may be something we could do here. We'll just have to see. Meta on the 4-hour. Dude, Cam, what's up, dude? Yeah, let me look at that too as well. Meta 4-hour. Let's do it. All right, so 1 second as I drink some water. So we know exactly what we're targeting. We see a clear move down with no green candles interfering. Now I'm looking for a top wall. So this top wall is going to be points of contact, an area where there is you know, where these candles are having a very hard time getting over. So hold on, that's not the right bottom. So this bottom here, as you can see, bless me, my bad. What's your thought on Meta and Microsoft after hours today? Yeah, I gotta look at Microsoft too. So yeah, let me go ahead and write that down. MSFT. All right, so we have a stop wall that needs to be broken above. As you can see, this is where these candles are having a very hard time getting over. So this wall that I'm seeing, you can see body wick, there's a body candle and another body wick closing directly at the same line. And if we end up breaking above that level, above this wall here, I don't see any resistance, guys, until boom, this green candle here. And yes, I am not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples of how I utilize the Potterbox and how I personally trade. So yes, you have to do your own research, not financial advice. And yes, what is above us? No, we'll go over Meta right after this. Yeah, no worries. SMCI, yeah, no worries, man. I got you. Good to see you once again. All right, so yes, top wall and also a bottom wall. And in between, what do we have? Empty space. There is no consolidation here at all. And I usually like to get my trades at the last hour of the day, the last 30 minutes. That's when I like to swing trade. And once we do end up breaking above, there's no resistance there. Obviously, from my entry to the exit, the middle of this move is going to be the imbalance, which looks really good. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so you guys wanted Meta, PLTR, all that good stuff. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So yes, Meta will be right after this one, guys. Educate me on what call and strike price once it breaks out. So yes, that's pretty self-explanatory as well. And, you know, a lot of people, and obviously, no, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. You all have to do your own research, of course. But let's just say we are breaking outside of this wall here. This 97 area. My final take profit is this 103 area. So this 103. My first take profit is this 127. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples. So please, please, you all have to do your own research, not financial advice. So first take profit is this 100 area. So maybe I grab some 100 strikes or maybe some 102, somewhere close and somewhere that's realistic to my take profits. Obviously, I don't want to get any 120s, 130, 140s because that's just unrealistic for, you know, at least a short amount of time. But as you can see, another way here. What do we see here? And yes, guys, not financial advice. I know I'm repeating myself every 5 seconds, but yes, please do your own research. I'm only going over examples here. We have a clear move down, and we see two red candles. Once we've seen it flush, so I'm expecting at least 2 candles up. So obviously, it took 2 days. So each candle is worth a day. Obviously, 24 hours is, you know, 1 day. So each candle worth 1 day. And yes, 2 days down, I'm expecting 2 days up. But I always buy at least a week or 2 out with all my trade, at least my swing trades. So if I'm swinging anything, I always buy a little bit more time. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, D, so yeah, not financial advice. So please do your own research, of course. So it really just depends on the contracts as well. I do like to look for, you know, high IV or low IV, high open interest, high volume, but definitely not high IV. So definitely not that. So can we go over SPY? Yeah, Yuli, what's up? What's up? Yeah, let's do it. So after Meta, we'll do SPY. Meta and Google. Yeah, cool. Google SPY, we'll definitely do it. All right, so what is this? What am I seeing? Let me go down to a lower time frame. There may be something that I am looking at. I know this looks crazy, but just give me a chance. Give me a second. I think this was on a 4-hour. So this was actually on a 2-hour, and this was a trade that did end up touching and tapping. LUV, yeah, let me do that as well. Yeah, I got you, man. When you say you like to jump on a trade in closing hours, do you listen? So I will be honest, like I usually, you know, end up at the end of the day. That's when I get into all my entries. Obviously, if it's a day trade, I'll day trade it. But for my swing trades, I wait until the end of the day. Some of the trades, they will end up, you know, just going, but that's, you know, that's rare. But I will be completely honest, like, yes, the last 30 minutes, the last, 15 minutes is when I, like to get into the entries because I like to have confirmed entries. So yes, if you do end up, if you do join the Discord, yes, you can join. Link is in the bio for the free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. Oh, that does look really good. Give me a second here. Let me see. That looks really good. Obviously, we did have this on the 2-hour. But yes, guys, link is in the bio for the Discord. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat where we give signals. Hold on, give me a second. Dang, that looks really good. Give me a second here. Bottom wall. Okay, yeah, that looks really good. So actually, the Discord, that first link will actually, take you to the free chat and the VIP. So you can just look at that as well. But yeah, just give me a DM if you don't see it or anything like that. But it should be there. But yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice, so please do your own research. I will be honest, this happened on a 2-hour, and it kind of already dropped in below. But let's go to a 4-hour. Let's see what the damage is here. Honestly, yes, still same thing. Top wall, bottom wall that I'm seeing here, though. So this is a different wall there. As you can see, this is a body wick and body candle closing directly at the same price, the same level. And under us, what do we see here? Empty space. Clear move up that I would love to take to the downside. If we do end up breaking below that wall, I don't see any resistance to down here. And yes, this is also another little box that you can, obviously draw. Exit, the first TP would still be this 532 area. Final, this is 523. So that looks really good. But personally, no, I'm not getting into any trades right now. I'm only going over examples, so please do your own research, of course. Wait, they have what? Earnings? What? This is, what, Wednesday? So what? Microsoft, Meta, Hood, wow, KO. Or Coke, actually, not KO, but ooh, LLY, McDonald's, Roblox, CVS. We do have some good setups. I will be honest. Hold on. mRNA too. Okay, wow. Okay, cool. Yeah, I gotta take a look. I gotta take a peek at these. So if it goes, and yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But for this example, if we see a clear move up, we would love to take it to the downside. So right now we are, currently fighting with the wall. So there is a bottom wall here that price is having a hard time getting under. So, we're targeting to the downside pretty much. All right, hold on, give me a second. Got to make sure that chat is fine. Got to make sure we're all really good. One second. All right, yeah, we're good. Also, my media guy just posted a new short, all right, anyways, let's see. SMC. Oh, dude, yeah, I was supposed to do SMC. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, give me a second here, actually. 1 second. Oh, okay, so I know you said the 15-minute, but I do want to check each time frame really quickly. All right, yeah, so. Actually, yeah, that 15-minute does look pretty good. So same thing here. Obviously, higher time frame would be a little bit better, but anyways, still same thing. What do we have here? Clear move down. All these red candles with no green candles interfering. All that we need here is a top wall and also a bottom wall. So top wall and bottom wall that I'm seeing. But yes, guys, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples. So please do your own research. So nice top. There's a nice bottom there. We do have a wall. So this wall right here. So they are having a very hard time getting over this level. So as you can see, there's a body candle closing directly at the same price. Yo, Marcus, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. But yeah, I'll go over RR. I'll go over that for you. No worries. And we do have, so let's just say we do end up breaking above that wall there. There's also another wall here. So another on contact to this bottom. And that does look pretty decent. So right now, we're consolidating. Is there anything for us to do? Absolutely not, except for just to what? Wait. So yeah, as of right now, it does look fairly decent, but we are still consolidating. And if we are consolidating in between these two levels, there's just nothing that I want to do here. So that was on what? SMCI. But yes, guys, not financial advice. But yeah, this will be a call for sure. But yeah, I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, but this for this example. So just remember it like this. If we end up, breaking and close, so if we end up breaking and flushing with no consolidation, so we see red candles, we want to take it to the upside. If we see, for example, a clear move up of green candles with no area for consolidation, we want to take it down. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Yo, Franken, what's up? What is a good IV? So any low IV is great. So if there's high IV for a trade, let's just say if I have a setup that looks really good, but the IV is high, like 100, 80, 90, like above 100, I definitely do not want to take it. My type of IV is like what, 10, 20, 15, 30, like something like that. But yeah, that doesn't look bad at all. Can I look at UNH? Yeah, no worries. So I gotta do Google Spy UNH as well. Yeah, no worries, no worries. How far do you set your trades if you're looking at a 4-hour chart? So what do you mean by that? Do you mean like how far out, like expiration wise, or do you mean my targets? Like how far do I target? Just let me know. Can you look at Intel? Yeah, I can definitely do that. Yeah, no worries. Okay, yeah. So if I set a 4-hour, it's going to probably be a swing. So let's just say we have a, honestly, this is a 24-hour. Let's just say we did this on a 4-hour. So same exact thing here. So let's just say we have the empty space here. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, expiration. So for expiration date, I have, and this is how I do it. Obviously, if it's a swing trade, I definitely will at least buy a week or two out. That's at least. So yeah, the play can move and end up happening within a day. But yeah, I do like to buy a week or two out. Yo, what's up, Jaden? How do you know? And yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research. I am not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over the example. So no, this is not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. But yes, we will end up showing you everything, guys. Obviously, yes. What do I look for? Clear move. And yes, this is my Discord. You guys, if you want to see what we do inside the Discord, look at the games page, look at the testimonials. You can see exactly what we do. You can see all my charts. So yeah, the link is in the bio as well. So yes, clear move down. We end up breaking above the level. A wall, I want us to go up tap. So same thing here. All of my charts are going to look exactly like. I don't change anything at all. And these are for my swing trades. So for my swing trades, which we mainly focus on, we swing trade at the end of the day. So before before the last hour expires, obviously we like to get into trades, obviously the last 30 minutes. So right now, no, there's just nothing for us to do. As you can see for BABA, clear move down, waiting for a break outside of my wall at the end of the day, and I get in. Boom, it goes up. And either the plays work or they don't. Obviously, yes, you have to do your own research, not financial advice. So please do your own research. Boom, what do we see here? Clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what we want to the upside. If we do end up breaking above this wall here, we go up a tap. So same thing there. That's exactly what I want each and every day. Boom, clear move down of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. Obviously, yes. You can see what happens there. But no, this is not financial advice. You all have to do your own research. So please do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything or anything like that. So RR, let's see what the deal is here. Honestly, I do see something on a 30-minute, but you know what? We start on the higher time frame, and then we'll work our way down. So personally, yes, if I don't see anything on a 24-hour, I would end up just going to a lower time frame. Yo, James, what's up? Yeah, I can do AMC for you. Yeah, no worries. AMC. All right, so one second. So, okay, so 24 hour, I don't see anything that I like. So I will go down to a lower time frame. Looks like we do have... All right, okay, I see something here. I see something. So on the 4 hour at least, if we, you know, continue on the downtrend, yeah. So let me pull up LUV too. Hold on, I got you. So give me 1 second here. And I'm sorry, I stepped away for a second. Not sure. So yes, if I see a clear move up with no consolidation, I would want to take it to the downside. If I see a clear move down, so if we spot like a clear move down, I would want to take it to the upside. So it's just the opposite. So if I see this clear move up here, so right here, this is a great example. Clear move up of no consolidation. This is exactly what I would want to take to the downside. Obviously, that's just pretty much it though. But yeah, so we do need the Potter boxes, of course. We need, everything in order for us to actually take it to the downside. So no, I am not telling you guys to enter into anything. So please do your own research. All right, so we end up breaking below there. Don't see any resistance until boom down here. Yes, first TP would still be the middle of this move, and that's the imbalance. So that does look bad though. Not bad at all. So down, yes. Calls, basically, you're gonna think, you're going up. Puts, obviously, you think you're gonna go down. But yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. All right, so that was on that. Yo, thanks for the follow, Carmi. Really appreciate it. So that was on RR. Let's go to what? CME as well. ASO. Yeah, gotcha, Gary. What's up, dude? How are you, man? All right, so yeah, thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. And yes, guys and gals, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join up, or I mean, you don't have to if you don't want to, but yeah, you can if you want. So let me go to a higher time frame. Let's start on the monthly. Wow, so it does look like we are currently going up. Do you usually like calls or puts? So obviously, I'm called the put brothers. I do like puts a lot better, but I do not discriminate. If I see a play for calls, I will definitely take it. If I see a play for puts, I'm definitely going to take it as well. But yeah, I do like puts a lot better, but you can see it doesn't matter. This is calls, you can see, boom. Like those are examples there. Obviously, I do like puts though. But no, I do not discriminate. They work, pretty much both ways. Yeah, put brothers. Yep, that's exactly right. But I will be honest, the reason why and yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. Obviously, but for puts, at least for what I've seen, every time I've gotten into puts, the play just happens so much faster. It just, when they want to drop it, drop the stock, drop whatever they want to drop, it pretty much goes a lot faster than doing calls. Obviously, calls, I love my calls too. I'm not going to discriminate, but I have seen that that it does end up going for sure. Yo, Mr. G, what's up, dude? How are you, man? Good to see you. I appreciate you answering my questions. Yeah, no worries, man. Thank you so much for tuning into the live stream. Really appreciate it, bro. Hope you're having a good day today. But yes, guys, I will be getting into some end-of-day trades the last hour, so the last 30 minutes. So no, I am not entering into anything right now. I'm only going over examples. So yes, you have to do your own research. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. All right, so for LUV, so I think, yeah, so we charted this on a 4 hour. I see a top wall, 2 body candles there closing at the same line. And yes, what do we see here? On a 24-hour chart, I do see a lot of empty space above us. And I would wait for this breakout outside this 28 area. And as you can see, we have empty space above us. That looks really amazing. But right now, no, there's nothing for me to do. We're stuck in consolidation. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, not financial advice. But yeah, that does look fairly good if we can get it. But as of right now, no, definitely not gonna get into anything because why? We are stuck in consolidation. Yes, sir, man. Appreciate you as well, man. So ASO and NEM, yeah, I can definitely do that for you guys. So 1 second here, 1 second. I gotta do INTC and SPY. I think Yuli wanted me to do SPY. Hold on. So yeah, let's see. ASO. Let's see that. All right, yeah, this looks like we're in consolidation, but doesn't look bad though. So for the future, at least. AMC, yeah, gotcha, yeah. Actually, you know what? We'll actually pull that up really quickly. Yeah, let me pull it up so I don't forget it. I got you, bro. No worries. And you, okay? She's here. I was like, okay, she wanted Spy, but I don't know where she's at. But anyways, okay, cool. She's here. All right, yeah, we'll pull up Spy really quickly as well. But yeah, ASO first. We'll do ASO. All right, so as you can see, we do have. What do I think about Wingstop? Yeah, we can take a look at that too. I haven't even looked at that in a while. All right, cool. So same thing here. What do we have here? We have, and this does look, pretty decent. So on this wall here, so there is 2 points of contact there, bottom there. Oh, hold on, I messed it up. Give me a second. There we go. All right, so there's the top wall. There's also that bottom wall here. As you can see, what do we have? It lines up. That's perfect for me. We do have the empty space above us, and I would love to take this all the way up until where I see resistance, which is up to here. Obviously, yes, what are we doing? We are consolidating, so there's just nothing for us to do. Yo, thanks for the gift, man. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the likes, too, as well. So right now, if we're stuck in consolidation, I'm not going to take any trade at all. I'm just going to wait for some entries. As you can see, top wall, bottom wall here. Yes, inside the middle, we have the empty space. This looks really good. So right now, we're consolidating. There's nothing for me to do. Yo, thanks for the gift, man. Really appreciate it. Yo, Shane, thanks for the follow, man. I'm not going to lie. Looking at the screen looks so cool. Appreciate it, bro. So that was on ASO. We're consolidating. I don't want to do any of that. At least not right now. So ASO, let's look at, let's see. AMC. So AMC, and then we'll do SPY as well. How do I get that rectangle with the middle line? So, perfect. So, user 430-197-423-8694. This is how we get the, box with the middle line. So, yes, you just go over here to the, left-hand corner. And then we go down to the rectangle here. So, there's a rectangle. Yeah, it's just a rectangle. Obviously, we call it a box, square, whatever. But, yes, rectangle, and then you double tap it if you want the middle line. You add the middle line there. You can change the colors, all that good stuff as well. So yeah, it doesn't look bad. Not bad, not bad. Are you considering playing earnings, or do you sit out during events? Alright, funny thing about that, I definitely will play some earnings, but I will say, if you are in my Discord and we do, have earning setups, those are not our regular entries. Those are more just like YOLO entries for us. Our regular setups, I do like to wait on the 24-hour or the 4-hour for swing trades. But if it's an earnings play and it looks good, I definitely will end up playing it for sure. But it will be a YOLO. It wouldn't even be something that I care about too much. But if it does go right, that's bank for sure. But yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice, entertainment, educational only. So please do your own research. But I will be honest, most of, if I, do want to get into a solid, valid entry, I'd pretty much just save everything else for another great entry. But yeah, earnings plays I do end up playing. I will be honest, especially if the contracts look cheap and the setup is there. And I only take setups that are there. If it's not there, I don't take it. All right, so for AMC, and then we'll do SPY after this. All right, so personally, all right, we'll go to a weekly chart. I just don't like how these candles look here, but this doesn't look bad. So possibly in the future, what is this? Top wall, also bottom wall here. Hold on, let me stretch this down a little bit more. Top wall, also bottom wall there. And above us, what do we have? We have this empty space here that looks really good, all the way up until here. So yes, this slow move, well, yes, pretty slow. Yes, we are currently at the buyers level, so there's just nothing that I want to do here. I don't want to do anything at all except for just to wait because we're consolidating, and we also do have another box here. That looks really good. So right now, if I have my trade and I set it, I wait, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, let me pull up NVIDIA. I got you, yeah. Amelia, what's up, what's up? How are you today? But yeah, we'll do SPY next. We'll do SPY right now. I got you, Yuli, I promise. Oh yeah, that does look really good. And SOFI, yo, what's up, dude? How are you? Yo, thanks for the follow, TBM. Appreciate it. So what? SOFI too as well. All right, yeah, you guys want to see SOFI, and have I checked Walmart? I have not. WMC, I will definitely check that for sure. So let's keep going. And yes, guys and gals, if you want to join the Discord, you can join the Discord. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. If you want to see what we do inside the Discord, just join the free chat. See how you like it. Look at the games page. Look at the testimonials. You can see all of my charts are pretty much the same. I do like to go a little bit, you know, and do a little bit more work and find some day trades. Obviously, we had a good YOLO. Runners got stopped out, but I wait for my trades every single day. And also Wingstop. Yeah, let me pull that up for you. So ASO, we went over that. Wing. So we'll go over SPY really quickly first too. Oh, dude. you may be onto something there. You may be onto something. I do see something as well. The trial doesn't give you the line option. Oh, or it doesn't. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, you know, I do have the subscription on TradingView, so. Yo, Master Trader, what's up? What's up? How are you today? Good to see you. All right, so for SPY, let me go ahead and go to our lower time frame because I don't see anything here. So let's get rid of all this and let's just go down to our lower time frame. Dude, I'm doing good. Honestly, I'm waiting for some end-of-day swings. It's going to be great. I'm looking forward to it. But yeah, that's just pretty much it for today. All right, at least on a 30-minute, I don't see anything that I like. Let me go down to a... Ooh. All right, so this is like a small 10-minute, you know, type of trade. And yes, guys, not financial advice. I am not telling you guys to buy anything, so please, please do your own research. All right, so same thing here. What is this? Boom. Looks really good. So I saw this clear move up of all these green candles with no red candles interfering. And what is this? So this clear move up, all of these green candles, no red candles interfering. So this has no consolidation. And this is exactly what I would want to the downside. Obviously, yes, what do we need here? We do need top wall and also bottom wall. So this bottom wall is going to be the most important wall because it needs to be broken in order for us to target into this empty space. So empty space is basically just candles where there is no consolidation. So boom, clear move up. We would love to take it to the downside. If we do end up breaking underneath that wall there, I am looking for the next resistance. So where is the next resistance, guys and gals? All the way down here where we see resistance. So there is none right there. But yeah, that does look really good. Yes, first TP would still be the middle of the move. So from the entry to the exit, the literal middle. And this is where we end up trimming most contracts, of course. As of right now, no, I am not telling you guys to buy anything. I'm only going over examples. So yes, you have to do your own research, of course. All right, so what is this? We're clearly consolidating. All good, man. When did you do it? Just let me know. Did you like just get into it or? But yes, guys, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So if you are tuning into the live stream, please do your own research. But yeah, that does look pretty good if we can end up breaking under that wall. But right now, there's just nothing for us to do. Is there a source to use to find option opportunities? So it really, you know, I just use my play, and I have, you know, my set play. Obviously, you know, for my contracts that I like to use, I like to have high volume, high open interest. I like to have low IV, so implied volatility, and I have to make sure the spreads are, you know, pretty, you know, close together. If the spreads are, you know, very far apart, like, you know, $1 apart, something like that, you know, even, you know, 20 cents, 15 cents, I get a little iffy on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, spot on the 10 minute, that does look really good. Looks like we are clearly trying to go back up though. I've never done options. It scares me. Yo, Cool Spirit, what's up? But AMD, yeah, I can definitely do it. But I used to, so I will be honest, I started on options and then I went to futures. Futures was just pretty easy, and then I don't know, options after I found the Potter box, you know, shout out to Potter Stocks PBS. But yeah, after I found the Potter box, you know, from Potter Stocks PBS, make sure to give them a follow. trading, which is a lot more easier. I know what I'm targeting. I have the same entries each day, my exits each day. Break-even stop losses are very minimal stop losses each day. I don't change anything, and that's pretty much it. But yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please, before you do anything, do your own research. But yeah, Yuli, that does look really good. Not bad. But yeah, right now, I would just wait. I'm not going to get into any of that. So SOFI, this is what we have here, or this is what I had. And yes, it does look like we are on a downtrend. So what I saw here, yeah, we did end up touching my top wall, and we ended up rejecting off of it. But this right here, I think we did this one at 4 hours. So yes, there is a body candle and also a body wick closing directly at the same price. And this is where we do end up, you know, having trouble getting under this. So if we do end up breaking below that wall, I don't see any resistance until down here, all the way down to this 1127 area. Obviously, am I going to get into this right now? No, because we are still pretty much consolidating here. Maybe if I want to go to a lower time frame, break it down, this could be something, but as of right now, definitely not. Oh wow, NVIDIA. Amelia, you're right. Let's look. Hopefully, one second here. Let's look. I do just want to see, really quick, if it'll either reject or hit the target. We'll see though. Wow, that's pretty crazy. Do you sell options? So I only just buy calls and puts, but that's pretty much it. But yes, guys, I'm not telling you guys to enter into anything. So please do your own research. Not financial advice. I'm only going over the Potter Box and how I personally utilize it, and that's pretty much it. Oh dang. Uh-oh. Hopefully they're watching, but anyways, we'll see. Empty space. That would have been a liable trim for sure, but not bad. All right, hold on. I got to change this twerking song. I don't know why it pops on each and every day. Give me a second. Let me check on the chat. Let's see. Hold on. Give me a second here. Yeah, that definitely would have been something liable. But anyways, yeah. So yeah, NVIDIA, empty space. Obviously, yes. Let me see. Lower time frame. Looks like we didn't even close above that. We still hold above, though. That's still great. Yeah, I definitely don't want to. And no, I'm not telling you guys to buy into anything. So please, do your own research. Not financial advice. So you have to do your own research, of course. Would you sell at minus 1K or hold for a swing? So I will be honest. Most of my trades happen in, you know, they are break-even stop losses or very minimal stop losses. I personally don't like holding losing positions. I did do that before, like when I first started trading. Like, I wanted to win every single trade. I wanted to, you know, average down every single trade just because so I could, you know, end up winning that trade. But personally, I get out. If I have to get out, you know, that's fine. But yeah, if I have to get out for any of these trades, I don't care about anything. Like, I can always re-enter. And there was, I think there was one yesterday. So SPY, I think we had SPY yesterday. So we had some runners, and it ended up doing very, very well. Well, at least, you know, the yellow entry. And then the runners got tapped out. And I could have re-entered, but I just didn't want to re-enter. But it ended up working out. Yeah, let's see if it ends up. So this can, if it can still close above without even touching that, looks great. But right now, no, I'm not entering into anything, guys. I'm not telling you guys to enter into anything. So please, before you do anything, do your own research. Not financial advice. I'm not entering into any trades until the last 30 minutes. Oh yeah, so yeah, that's exactly correct. You know, I can always get out of a trade. So let's just say if I get tapped out, boom, that's fine. I can always find the re-entry. So if we are, so this for example here, give me a second. And personally, I wouldn't even want to chase this one since we went up so high. So yes, top wall, bottom wall there. All right, so same thing here. So let's just say if we have, oh, AMD, I do have to do AMD, right? Yeah, you're right, you're right. I got you, man, no worries. AMD, let's do it. Oh, it does look like we're almost there, I'm not gonna lie. So let's just say if we do end up, and obviously no, I am not entering, I am not telling you guys to enter, so please do your own research, of course. But for example, if I do end up breaking above the level A wall, and we're going up, let's just say we're going up, we're doing good, my exit will be my entry. So if I get tapped out here, or you know, I do like to give it a little bit of breathing room, but yeah, if we're inside of this consolidation, I just do not want to be in a trade. And let's just say we do end up getting tapped out and we go down a bit, and somehow, some way, we start looking good again. That's exactly when I will find the reentry. So yes, we have in my Discord, we have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat. So the VIP chat is where we give out signals. We mainly do end of day swings, but I do like to go a little bit extra and find some day trades. But yes, mainly focus on end of day swings. We have the weekly, we have the monthly, the yearly, the lifetime, all that good stuff as well. Tony, those yeah, I didn't even check it yet. So I was like, this looks good, but you know what, if the contracts are too expensive, or you know, the contracts look bad, then either it'll be a light entry, or I just won't enter in at all. But yeah, thanks for checking, man. I was like, something looks good here, but what is the catch? But anyways, no, I'm kidding. But yeah, we'll just have to see. So a lot of these trades still, and UNH. Yeah, I definitely got to do UNH too. Hold on, UNH. Let's do it. All right, so yeah, we'll do that. Honestly, I do see that. You know, let's see if NVIDIA can do what it does, or if they just gonna eat. Let's see. All right, so there is this top wall that I'm clearly seeing that does look fairly decent. And this top wall that I'm clearly seeing is a body wick and another body wick closing directly at the same price. And what do we have above us? We have empty space all the way up until this $99.95. And if we do end up breaking above this level here at the end of the day, so yes, the end of the day, we have what, an hour left, and yes, this is when no, I'm not getting into anything. So I'm going to, you know, I wait until the last 30 minutes before market open. Obviously, we are consolidating anyways. There's absolutely nothing for me to do. I am not telling you guys to buy anything, so please do your own research, of course. As you can see, right here, we're consolidating, but I'm waiting for a break outside of this consolidation so I can target to the upside, which looks really good. But right now, there's just nothing for me to do. So UNH, let's look at this. And each trade, doesn't matter what time frame I'm on, what, you know, what I'm doing. So, ooh, give me a second. So it does look like we're on a clear downtrend, but what I see here, and this is what I'm pretty much waiting for. Obviously, yes, what is this? We do have a little bit of empty space there. But I'm waiting for the bigger picture. I'm waiting for, you know, what I want to see. And this is right here. But yes, guys, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything. So please do your own research. Yo, Zach, what's up, dude? How are you, man? Yeah, let me do what? HMC? Yeah, let's do it, man. All right, so same thing. And we'll go ahead and get rid of this. What is the first thing that I saw that caught my mind? Hold on, give me a second. So the first thing that I actually saw that did end up catching my mind, we have this clear move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, same play each day, each time frame. Doesn't matter if I'm on a 1 minute, a 1 hour, 1 month. We have a top wall. We also have a bottom wall. So the top wall that I'm seeing is 2 points of contact, body candle and another body candle. Yo, Nathan, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it for tuning in. And if we do end up breaking above this wall here, I don't see any resistance, guys. And so boom, this green candle here. And yes, what is this? Another box, another area of consolidation. And obviously, yes, we're down here. There's nothing for me to do except for wait. I'm going to wait. Because if we're stuck in consolidation, I do not want to take a trade. Boom, what is this? Top wall, bottom wall there. As you can see, we have the empty space. And that looks really good. So right now, I'm just going to wait. There's just nothing for me to do at all. At least for that one. At least for that one. Let's see if honestly, if Nvidia could end up. Ooh, it does still. We haven't hit the imbalance yet, so that still does look really good. Possibly end of day, or unless we can break above this wall there. Last 30 minutes. AMD looks really good. Let's see, INCC. Yo, Leslie, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. All right, so HMC. Let's look at these trades. So Honda. Let's see. All right, yeah, we can definitely do that. Yeah, no worries. So the PLTR as well. Hold on, PLTR. Honestly, let me look back in the video really quickly. So give me a second. Hold on, give me a second. NVDA, and yes, I'll go over PLTR. Yeah, no worries. I have to look at it. Honestly, it just, you know, we did close back inside of this box, as you can see. But personally, this is not like it's not the biggest move. It's not even a dollar move. So I definitely wouldn't want to swing like a small entry. That's at least for me. But yes, please do your own research, guys and gals. Not financial advice. So yes, please, you all have to do your own research. But yeah, HMC. Don't see anything on this 30-minute. We have to go to a higher time frame and break it down. All right, let's see this. You know what? We'll go to a weekly chart. So weekly chart. Let's see how these candles look and react. Oh, okay, okay. All right. So this right here. This doesn't look bad. So give me a second here. And yes, guys, please do your own research. Not financial advice. Only going over some plays here that I'm seeing. Boom, clear move down there. We do have beautiful top, beautiful bottom. We do have that nice bottom there. What do we see up here? A wall that we need to break over. We end up breaking above that. Give me a second there. Come on. Beautiful top, beautiful bottom. It does look like we did hit the imbalance already. So at least for me, I personally wouldn't want to take this trade because we did hit the imbalance. But yeah, that's just pretty much it. We did it did look like we ended up closing above this top wall. So beautiful top wall here. 1 second there. Hold on, guys. Let me make sure the VIP chat is fine. And yes, if you are in my VIP chat, I will be in there I'll probably be in there in the next 10 minutes or so. So yes, guys, I will be in there last hour as well. Or I will be in there last, you know. So 1 second here. And yes, it's it's almost time for the end of day swings as well. So yes, if you guys and gals do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio as well. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. All right, so what, PLTR? So I'm not gonna lie. I did end up calling this one as well. This was also in my VIP chat. This was, you can see, hold on. I can only show you the charts. I can't show you anything else, so please do your own research. As you can see, for PLTR, this was what? On the 22nd in the potential setups, you can see, had instructions. We had a clear move down. We needed a wall for us to break. PLTR is now inside it, fill this gap pretty much. As you can see, boom. All of that went up crazily. What is this? Let's go down to a 2 hour. So personally, that move has already happened. So I don't want to do that trade. What I see here though looks really good. And yes, what is this? I see a clear move up of all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. And we have a bottom wall that we need to break under. If we end up breaking under this wall here, so yes, there's a body candle there. I don't see any resistance, guys, until down here. Obviously, we could do this on a like 4 hour, whatever. So 4 hour down to here, and that looks really good. Yes, am I going to get in this trade right now? No. Can it keep going up? Yes, it can, but I'm not getting into anything right now. And yes, guys, please do your own research, not financial advice. I am not telling you guys to buy anything. So yes, you all have to do your own research. But yeah, a lot of these trades look good. Not bad. I do see a couple good setups for end of day, but we'll just have to see with a lot of these trades. But not, yeah, that doesn't look bad at all though. But yes, guys, not financial advice. Please do your own research, of course. But yeah, let's keep on going. But yes, guys, I will be getting off now. I do have a lot of work to do inside of the VIP chat. I gotta work on the signals, of course. But yes, if you guys and gals do want to join up, link is in the bio. We have the free chat. We also have the VIP chat as well. Or if you don't, it's fine. I'll be here live tomorrow as well. So yes, guys, thank you so much. Have a blessed one. In Jesus' name, amen. I will see you all soon. Appreciate the for tuning back into the live stream. I'll see you in the Discord.